Welcome to Richpeace CAD software analysis. Today is teach you preparation grading. Click size. OK. Choose this button. Click on pattern. Then right click. If margin is different, input each size margin. Select cross option. Click No Away Size. Pattern can be graded according to input margin. If margin is same, input margin in near the beside size. Select according to option. Press Ever Size. Pattern can be graded according to input value. When you use option grading, you cannot grade outline, just grade a set line, thicker, straight level, buttonhole, draw. Select outline can make outline grading according to input value. OK, finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.